Good day, everybody. My name is Aladi Okinolubusi Nero. I'm from MMM Guider School, class 95. Quickly, I want to make an MMM ideology video. MMM ideology video is telling us about the sense and the goal behind MMM, what MMM represents and what it entails. Quickly, I want to start with the introduction. Introduction about MMM. MMM is not a bank. That's to tell us that MMM don't have any asset they are selling. They don't involve in any stockbroking or any other kind of business. MMM is not any business of any form. It's not a company. It's not any investment plan. It's not any multi-level marketing. It's not even any HYIP. It's not a Ponzi scheme. It's not money game. It's not where you say maybe you are gambling or something. And also, even above all, there is no boss or owner in MMM. Because there is no MD that will tell you that, okay, come here, do this, do that. No. MMM has its own aim and purpose, which is the ideology. As we continue, you get to know more about that. Quickly, what is MMM? What is MMM? What is MMM all about? MMM is Global Mutual Aid Fund or Global Social Financial Network. It is mutual. There is understanding. It is an involved social financial network. It's not just where we just do things anyhow or practices anyhow. It is structured. It was found and established in 1989 by Sergei Makhvudi, who is a Russian mathematical genius. When it's called someone a mathematical genius, means that this person is very good at calculation, has put a lot of things in consideration before coming up with this platform that will help us and develop the whole world. MMM is a community of people who are changing the world. In there, we help each other by donating money. If you give someone, someone will give you more than you give them. People keep wondering that, okay, how do MMM come in the way of generating the money? The way MMM generates the bonuses and all the interest on it, it is through what we call crowdfunding. Crowdfunding. When more people join, there is more money. For instance, when we talk about the bank, the bank, if everybody decides to come into the bank today, let's say a particular bank, I don't want to mention the name of any bank, and say, okay, we all the customers, we want to collect all our savings, all our money in the bank will not be able to pay. And that's the same way it goes along. It is the money of those that are bringing in that they are used to pay those that want to retrieve their money. If you are depositing, then those that are withdrawing, they will get what you are depositing. But what you deposited then, another person have withdrawn it. That's the way they are running it. And the banks are not even happy with that MMM has to reveal their secret. MMM is a community of people who are changing the world. Just take that and always know that. Because MMM is an international freedom, free, self-adjusting community. We can also say that it is social virus. When we talk about social virus, because it's what affects the whole society. The whole world can be on MMM and MMM will continue to grow. In fact, make it better. MMM websites and virtual accounts are only tools which help people to assist each other. Programs only collect data from people who want to provide help to people, who want getting help from other people. What does that mean? If you want to get help to other people, you talk to people, okay, I want to provide help. I want to provide help, okay, me too, I want to get what? Help. So that's a better means way and it's a good way to make sure that yes, things are what circulating. We exchange things among ourselves. We are exchanging the money, and the money will keep what circulating. It is donation. So the money that you help someone is the money that not important with you or not necessary. You use your spare money. It's not where you go and sell your property, sell your house, or you rake all your bank account and say, yes, use your spare money. You don't have to go and take loan, because if you are still doing that, you are still going against the ideology of MMM, because MMM is trying to save you not to be a slave to money. Now, if you are going to the extent of maybe selling your properties to do that, then you are still going against it. It is about freedom. Let's also continue. He said MMM gives you a technical basic program which helps millions of participants worldwide to find those who need help and those who are ready to provide help for free. You are providing help for free. Then those that need help will get the help. When you provide help, you get help. All transferred funds to other participants are your help given by your own goodwill to another one. Absolutely gratis. That means once you give help willingly to another person that want to, okay, you want to get help, you get help, you want to provide help, you provide help, and it keeps going, and your marbles still keep increasing along the system. If you want to donate, if you are completely confident and want to participate in MMM revolution, then we kindly ask you to study carefully on warning. There are warnings, instructions, and even rules before you just come in. As we continue, I'm going to show you so many of the rules here. In case of any matter regarding the topic, we have online consultants that are ready to help and answer all your questions. All questions, anything, any problem you are going through, there is always online consultant there to attend to you. Even when the system is so structured that we even have CROs that monitor the activities and make sure that yes, things are done. They are like the police of the system. So if you go against the rule, the CRO, they are there to catch you. Now, what are the activities of MMM? MMM activities help poor people towards social wellness. MMM help poor people for social humanity. Social humanity. MMM donate money to help needy people. Food distribution, clothes distribution, blood donation camp, and free medical distribution. Charity events are all organized by MMM across the whole world where it's being practiced. And I can tell you categorically and emphatically that very soon we'll be seeing that in Nigeria in full form. But this ideology must be spread to the whole world and to the whole classes of Nigeria so that we can know that yes, MMM is real and what MMM is practiced is genuine and is the best. Now look at our aim now. MMM is a revolution for each and every one of us. Today you help someone, tomorrow you will get help. If you help someone today, you will get help tomorrow. It's just simple. Give and take. That's all. When you give into the system, then you get from the system. You cannot say just want to come to the system and get without giving. No. You provide help, you get help. MMM mission and aim of MMM. Now, MMM to fight against financial slavery. I said that in the beginning of this video. I said one of the major aim, even the major aim of MMM is to fight against financial slavery, in which the enemies of this ideology of MMM, they are the governments, people that they believe that yes, they have the own money to them, central banks, and all the financial institutions, they are the enemy of MMM because MMM is giving us freedom. And that freedom is what they don't want us to have. That's why they put panic in us and said this, that, those, that. You don't need to listen to those panic. Because there are things that MMM are put in place to work for our good. To make sure that yes, things work well. Now, MMM is a global mutual aid fund. The bottom line is that it is a voluntary informal network of millions of people across the earth who ride up against the Federal Reserve and the bankers. And to win this, we need to work. You need to stand against the government. You need to stand against CBN and say, yes, this is what you represent. This is what you are from. This is what you got to do. Now, MMM mission and aim of MMM to help people all around the world decide to combine their money for this cause. Let each individual have small but a lot of people, which turns into millions, and together is a force. This is tremendous power, invisible, and which is growing every day. MMM is just here. People help each other. When we help ourselves, then things will not continue to be fine. I help you, you help me. Someone else you don't know help you, help someone else you don't know. Before you know it, the community keep growing. MMM is going to take human life better for personal satisfaction and for the benefit of the whole society. All people must join in this revolutionary to make human life better. Where good will conquer evil financially. All of this will be absolutely true. Welcome to the system. Welcome to the system. PS and more. We appeal to all the participants. I and myself am appealing to you. Together, join myself together because I am MMM and everybody is MMM. MMM is not even just one person who insult our mutual aid fund and call it a financial pyramid scheme. It is better to pay attention to banks, insurance companies, which are really a pyramid in its most chemically pure form. The pension fund, yes, dollars is the same, naira is the same, currency is the same. Now MMM opening people's eyes, showing the truth. Only MMM speaks openly and honestly about the fact that we are surrounded by a pyramid system. Only MMM says that we are cheated. Where we make money almost dying, and then some blood-sucking parasite make money out of thin air. MMM not only opens people's eyes showing the truth, but also removes the social tension, helping in a difficult moment for them. Can you imagine in the recession period, salaries are being owed, people are being retrenched, but MMM keeps giving you 30%. It's only possible with MMM. MMM solving problems of religious conflict. Can you see even the nations, the world supposed to embrace it? Because Mavodians helping each other. Imagine now, if I'm a Muslim, I'm to help a Christian. Okay, will I want something even to happen to that Christian? And if I want to be a Christian, I want to help a Muslim or any religion in the world. We keep helping ourselves, help each other regardless of their religion. We will never go for conflicts because we are helping ourselves. We need ourselves. MMM to solve this problem of religious conflict that often lead to bloodshed. That's why we need to embrace MMM. We need to embrace their ideology. It's for peace. It's for freedom. The life of every citizen is independent upon the power and wealth of the country. That is why we call on all participants to provide help to the country through a system of tax. Even with the amount that Mavodia receives as help in MMM, with this kind of support, you are helping each other to buy the goods that was difficult to buy yesterday. Without this kind of support, this is to increase the purchase capacity of an individual. We need to support ourselves. We need to support ourselves. MMM is not against the country. MMM is not against the country. MMM will not tell you that you should not go and pay your tax. No. No. Support to pay the country, let the country even develop, let we ourselves develop. But just that the country itself, the government, those in power, they don't want we people to enjoy freedom. Now, for us to enjoy MMM, there are what we call basic rules of MMM. First and foremost, you have to understand the true ideology of MMM. Then also donate or contribute your free or extra money. That's why we go to our webpage, it's always stated spare money. Use your spare money. Use your spare money. You don't have to be greedy. Never think it is a business or any multi-level marketing. You don't have to be greedy. That tells you that you need to have one account per person. You don't have to be pursuing having several accounts, because even though you do it, the CRO is there to catch you. If you can stay there for you think you are doing it, CRO will still see you one day, and you have to pick one. It might be a point where you want to get up in the two. That's very dangerous. Tell only true ideologies to people. I imagine some people will just tell me MMM. Okay, this MMM is not about money. It's more than that. Work with dedication and honesty. Always guide people about rules of MMM. Never misbehave or never shut anyone. Don't abuse anyone. Always tell the truth to participants. Okay, I will send you the money. Fine, let it be so. Don't do anything fake. Don't do anything. Don't allow it to get corrupt. Because we are the community, we make up the MMM. And the success of MMM is in our hand. Only then you can be succeed. Quickly, a few seconds. I'd like to show you. This is a social platform for MMM now. Once you log in, register, you have this.